Y'all, I got these deer steaks cut up, cut them off of that hind quarter. Nice big old thick pieces of meat. Put a little bit of Dale's on there. Put a little bit of that picking and grilling on there. Got this square large skillet heating up. Got some olive oil in it. We about to get started. So I'm gonna pull them out and I'm gonna flip them over. That way I can throw some seasoning on the other side once I get them in the skillet. We're not gonna cook them long. We're gonna dust them again with this banjo dust. That way we got both sides ready to go. Make sure they're not sticking, y'all. I made me a new spatula. That is sycamore. Y'all, I'm cooking down there on medium. All right, let's start turning it over. It's done cooked a few minutes. We ain't cooking this long, y'all. If you cook deer meat too long, it'll be tough as shoe leather. Now this is a little young deer, so it'll be a whole lot better. That is part of the reason we make a steak out of it. Oh yeah, it's gonna be fine. I'm ready to eat now. Got the blessing said, it's time to see if this is any good. How did we do? How did we do? Oh. That Dale's is good. Winner. Is it good?
It's good.
Good deal. We out. See y'all.